Few things can elevate your appearance as instantly and effectively as good grooming. At the same time, nothing undermines a sharp outfit or distinguished presence faster than neglecting the basics of personal care. Fortunately, impeccable grooming is accessible to all, regardless of your budget. Cleanliness is key. Showering and bathing are, as we hope we don't have to say, essential. Daily hygiene helps control odor, keeps skin healthy, and ensures that you're presenting your best self. As a general rule, wash yourself at least once daily, but depending on your local climate, activity level, and how much you sweat, you may need to wash more frequently than others. If you think you might smell after sweating, you probably do. It's better to shower sooner rather than later in these situations. When showering, take your time, because thorough washing, especially in odor-prone areas where sweat collects, is more important than speed. In the name of efficiency, many influencers insist on the value of the 2-minute max shower. But if you're rushing through your shower routine, you aren't actually getting clean, so you're wasting time, and you'll be left inadequately washed. Managing body odor. Body odor is heavily impacted by your body chemistry, and body chemistry varies from person to person. Some men are naturally more prone to body odor than others, and this is perfectly normal. Addressing your particular needs requires understanding your particular skin type and hygiene needs. Therefore, we suggest experimenting with different soaps to determine what works best for you. If you notice you have persistent body odor, consider soaps formulated for stronger odor control. For example, brands like Mando offer antibacterial, pH-balanced options designed to target odor at its source. Let us know in the comments if you'd like a dedicated video on tackling body odor. While you're typing out your answers, I'll start the outfit rundown. Now today I'm wearing a burgundy jacket with a white button-down shirt with some blue dots, a Fort Belvedere pocket square that has burgundy and gold elements in it with a paisley design, tan trousers, brown loafers, brown and blue shadow stripe Fort Belvedere socks, and my fragrance today is from Roberto Ugolini, Azzurro. Now to find other great accessories like these, check out the Fort Belvedere shop here. Finding the best shampoos and conditioners. The products you use to wash and condition your hair play a crucial role in maintaining its health and appearance. Not all shampoos and conditioners are created equal, and some may even undermine your hair's vibrancy over time. Many conventional shampoos and conditioners feature harsh detergents, like sulfates and synthetic additives. These ingredients can strip away your scalp's natural oils, leaving your hair dry, brittle, and more prone to frizz or split ends. Regular use of these products may gradually dull your hair and even exacerbate scalp irritation for those with sensitive skin. For the best hair washing experience, tailor your products to your scalp type. Oily scalps benefit from balancing formulas, not overly moisturizing, while dry scalps need hydrating products. Washing your hair the right way. After selecting a product, make sure that you are using it correctly, following any stated directions. Even gentle shampoos should be used thoughtfully. Most barbers recommend shampooing 2 to 3 times per week and simply rinsing with water on other days to preserve natural oils. But you should practice what works for you. You should also regularly use a conditioner, which is vital for locking in moisture, smoothing hair cuticles, and enhancing shine. Care for your hair. Even if it is well washed, flat or unkempt hair doesn't do anyone any favors when they're trying to look their best, whether your style is classic or more relaxed. Simply taking the time to comb, brush, or style your hair each morning is your first defense against a messy look. If you prefer the deliberately messy look, take inspiration from the principle of sprezzatura. In many cases, you will look best by achieving a controlled nonchalance. Think faux bedhead, which looks artfully effortless, rather than messy hair that looks like you literally just rolled out of bed. Combs, brushes, and minimal styling products like gels or pomades can help you achieve both polished and tousled looks. We have already prepared for you curated product recommendations for good value items. Handling haircuts. With classic shorter haircuts, letting your hair grow even a bit too long becomes apparent quickly. Either learn to trim around the ears and neckline yourself between barber visits, or schedule regular appointments to maintain sharp lines and neatness. Curly or wavy hair tends to puff up unevenly and may need regular thinning or texturizing for a neater appearance. Pay attention to how your particular hair type responds as it grows and adjust your grooming routine accordingly. And longer hair requires attention too. Regularly check for split ends and trim them to keep your hair healthy and consistent in length. If people aren't asking, "Did you just get a haircut?" when you actually got a haircut, it means you're on the right path. If you're experiencing hair thinning or balding, consider adopting a haircut that is suited to this reality. In our cases, we find this works much better than other miracle cures. Fine facial hair. While beards are known for being wild and bushy, for the classic gentleman, neatness matters. Whether clean-shaven, with intentional stubble, or sporting a full beard, keeping facial hair tidy is crucial. Neatly trimmed edges and regular upkeep make your facial hair look intentional, not lazy. Ironically, maintaining a well-kept stubble often demands more effort than shaving clean. There's a visible difference between deliberate stubble and simple neglect. Pay special attention to uneven growth. Some men naturally grow fuller hair in certain areas, like under the nose or on the neck, leading to a patchy or scraggly look, unless managed thoughtfully. Address these pain points with targeted trimming. If your facial hair grows unevenly or patchily, focus on keeping stray areas tidy. Sometimes, less is more. A minimalist approach can look far more polished than struggling with a full but uneven beard. A win for your skin. While there are more advanced routines out there, sticking to the basics of skincare can dramatically improve the look and health of your skin without much complexity. Skincare for free. Getting enough sleep is the original skincare secret. Quality rest leads to brighter, less puffy skin and slows the visible signs of aging, while a lack of sleep can result in a dull complexion and make wrinkles more noticeable. Hydration is just as important. Drinking enough water helps keep your skin from becoming dry, cracking, or taking on a leathery texture, not only on your face, but all over your body. The value of regimen. And while it may require more of an investment, a basic skincare regimen is always worth it. Using a basic cleanser, moisturizer, and sun protection, even when you purchase them from your local drugstore, will always outperform neglecting your skin. This trio helps you remove daily buildup, keep your skin smooth and hydrated, and defend against sun damage to preserve collagen and youthfulness. The earlier you start these habits, the better the result in the long run. So if you haven't begun already, now is the perfect time. Understand the skin you're in. It's also key to recognize that everyone's skin is different, and finding the products that best fit your needs makes all the difference. Some people have drier skin and benefit from richer, cream-based moisturizers and non-foaming cleansers, while others with oilier complexions do better with lightweight gels and foaming or clay-based cleansers. If you have combination skin, it may be useful to tailor your products to different areas. Regular grooming involves more than just your skin and hair. After your hair and general appearance, one of the first things people will notice about you is your hands, because they are such an active part of you. That's why you need to always care for your nails. Start by trimming finger and toenails regularly. Do so after a shower when they're softer. Only trim the white part, making a few careful clips along the natural curve. Avoid cutting your nails too short to prevent discomfort and ingrown nails. Then, use a nail file to gently smooth edges after trimming. This helps prevent snagging and keeps nails looking neat. To keep cuticles soft, moisten them with a drop of oil or moisturizer. Then gently push them back with a cuticle stick. Never rip or bite hangnails. Only trim them carefully with a clipper after a shower. Throughout the day, keep your hands and nails generally clean by washing them daily with a gentle moisturizing soap. Consider a mild hand scrub once a day to remove dirt and keep them soft. Be sure also to moisturize frequently. Apply a light, non-greasy hand cream after washing or whenever your hands are dry. Well-hydrated skin and cuticles not only look healthier, but also protect against cracks and irritation. Finally, avoid bad nail habits. Resist the urge to bite nails or pick the cuticles, as doing so can damage nail health and appearance. Interested in a full manicure? Raphael will walk you through all of the steps in this video guide. Maintain good oral health. Another easy way to elevate your appearance is by focusing on oral hygiene and fresh breath. Good oral care goes much further than simply masking issues with gum or mints. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day and flossing once daily forms the cornerstone of a healthy, inviting smile. Not only does consistent brushing and flossing keep your breath fresh, but it also makes trips to the dentist far less daunting. Speaking of which, ensure that you're visiting a dentist at least annually, and ideally every 6 months, to get ahead of dental issues before they start. Just like with body odor, some people are naturally more prone to developing bad breath. If this sounds familiar, it's worth exploring specialized mouthwashes such as TheraBreath, a brand Raphael swears by. A minimal investment in these daily routines can provide a significant boost to your confidence and overall appearance. Little things that make a big difference. When it comes to personal grooming, small issues can quickly add up, impacting your overall appearance in subtle but significant ways. Handling excess hair and spots like the ears, nose, and eyebrows is a simple step that makes a remarkable difference. Regularly trimming these or removing these stray hairs help maintain a well-kept, intentional presence. This attention to detail becomes even more important as we age, It's common for new hairs to appear in unexpected places over time, so consistently checking and addressing these areas ensure your grooming keeps pace with changing needs. Volume of body hair, of course, is a matter of personal preference. If you favor a more natural or burly style, that's entirely your choice. But even then, it's beneficial to tidy up areas where hair growth can look unintentional or distracting, such as on the shoulders and back. Keeping these areas trimmed supports a cleaner, more put-together impression. A patch of dense hair sticking out under your t-shirt is almost always an unwelcome distraction. Personal fragrance. When it comes to your scent, nothing replaces the value of simply smelling fresh and clean throughout the day. Maintaining good hygiene is always more impactful and more universally appreciated than masking body odor under layers of costly fragrance. Cologne, when used thoughtfully, serves as the final icing on your grooming routine. Its purpose is to be quietly noticed, not loudly announced. The key is subtlety. 1 or 2 spritzes applied to clean skin, ideally after a shower, are all you need for the entire day. This approach ensures your scent is inviting, yet never overpowering. We have a lot of helpful hints for proper fragrance use. Check out our videos here. Looking great doesn't require luxury products or elaborate routines. It starts with discipline and being motivated to care for yourself with what you already have. All the products in the world can't help you if you don't cover basic, often free steps first. What are your favorite inexpensive grooming techniques that dramatically improve your appearance? And for more timeless tips, visit the Gentleman's Gazette Grooming Archive.